Hey guys, here we are with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be giving a brief description about slope. So let's begin. How do you calculate slope? Well, there are two ways to calculate slope. You can use the intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, or you can use vertical change divided by horizontal change, which is also referred to as rise over run, or change in y divided by change in x. Change in y divided by change in x. Also rise divided by run. Now the objective is to find the slope of the line, and the slope is the rate of change that determines the direction of the line and how steep it is. Now in this first picture, the slope is 3 by 2 because the rise here is 3. It goes up 3 and goes to the side 2 to reach its second point. Now on this line you can see that there are not too many points that match up. So there's a point right here that is on a line, and there's a point right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So you need to connect those 2 points. You could do this way. You could do the run is 2 and the rise is 3, but still the way you divide it is the rise over run. So it's still going to be 3 by 2. Also here, you can connect 2 points, shown here. From here to this point, the run is -4 and the rise is -6. So that also simplifies out to 3 by 2 because negative and negative cancel out to the positive. In this picture, the slope of the line is 1 by 2 because the rise is equal to 1 and the run is equal to 2. Here the rise is equal to -2 because it's going down, and the run is still the same. It is a 3. And that makes the slope -2 by 3. So slope m in y equals mx plus b form is equal to the vertical change divided by horizontal change, and also equal to rise divided by run. Y equals mx plus b. Now y equals mx plus b is slope-intercept form, and m is the slope, while b is the y-intercept. So in this graph right here, b, being the y-intercept, is 3. Now you're probably wondering, isn't it supposed to be like a coordinate? Well, because x is always 0 on the y-intercept, then b is like a number. You just write down what y is, and usually don't put 0, 3. Actually, you never put that on the equation. So here in this graph, b is equal to 3, and the slope of the line is 2. You can't really see all the points on this line, but just an assumption, the slope of the line is 2. So the equation is y equals 2x plus 3. In this picture below, the change in x is 1 and the change in y is 2. So that makes the slope the change in y divided by change in x, 2 divided by 1, which equals 2. So that means the slope is 2. But what is the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept right here is a, and it is on point 1. So that means the y-intercept is 1. So the equation for this picture is going to be y equals 2x plus 1. Moving on. Parallel and perpendicular line. Now, parallel lines have the same slope, and perpendicular lines' slopes are negative reciprocals. Now, parallel lines, they have the same slope, so a line parallel to y equals 2x minus 3 has a slope of 2. Reason because in y equals 2x minus 3, m, which is 2 here, is the slope. So that means the slope is equal to 2. A line parallel to that has also the same slope, which is 2. Perpendicular lines. Slopes are negative reciprocals. They multiply to -1. A line perpendicular to y equals 2x minus 3 also has a slope of negative 1 divided by 2. Also, negative 1/2. Now, positive and negative slopes. Up is positive, down is negative. You probably didn't get that, right? Well, here are a ton of pictures that show what a positive and negative slope is. Now, a positive slope here is going up in this picture, and a negative slope is going down. And then you're wondering, what about if a line was like straight? What slope would that be? Well, if a line is going horizontal, it would be a 0 slope. And if a line is going vertically, it is an undefined slope. Because it goes on forever, you don't really know what slope it is. It's undefined. You could search up on any calculator and do like any number. Just divide it by 0 and you'll get undefined, because 0 times anything equals 0. So you can't really make a number. Positive slopes and negative slopes. Here are a few pictures. Positive slopes are all going up here, and the negative slopes are all going down. Next page. Writing equations for lines. Point slope form, which is y minus y1. Y minus y1 equals m in parentheses x minus x1. So you're using distributive property right there. Now write the equation of a line parallel to the line 2 equals 2x minus 3 that contains the coordinate minus 1, 4. Now y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And so m, which is 2 from the equation before, and it's parallel, so they have the same slope. So you put m as 2. And then x1 and y1 is negative 1, 4. So you just input that into the equation, which turns out into y minus 4 equals 2x minus 1. Then you distribute and solve for y. So that it comes out to y minus 4 equals 2x plus 2. And you simplify it and get y. You get y equals 2x plus 6. So, thank you for watching this video. Remember, subscribe to my channel. You'll get many more videos from here. A lot of interesting chess videos, a lot of tutorials on what to do in Chrome. A lot of cool videos. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so you know whenever you get any of my videos and whenever I upload. I upload one video per week, so keep on the lookout.